Dave here with Half Dozen Customs. Back out here in the shop today. We got the tool that I ordered last week for putting the piston rings back in the compressor. And these are, you know, I don't know if I would say that they're a specialty tool, but they're the tool that's needed for the compressor. An actual like piston ring compressor sleeve for like automotive like that, it won't work because on the compressor, I can show you real quick, the piston bolts down to the crank first and then slides up into the head like so. So if you were to use the automotive one, like I just showed you, it would be stuck around the piston rod then. So you have to have this special kit, so that way you know, you can press it around the piston like so, and then you can unclamp it and take it off around the piston rod. So, you know, new tool to me. I think it's cool. How often will I use it? Probably not very often, but it was something that I needed to have. It was, I don't know, like 28 or 29 bucks on Amazon. Shipped. Took me about 5 days to get. So it's here. We can put the compressor back together. First, we're gonna wipe down and clean up this first. I'm gonna need some help putting that head back on. I mean, maybe I could attempt to do it by myself, but no reason to, you know, screw up or scar the walls of the head or anything like that, or screw up the rings trying to do it by myself. I might as well just, you know, have a helping hand with it. The wife is at work right now, so when she gets off of work, I'll have her give me a hand putting that together. So in the meantime, I'm gonna clean this up, and then I have decided that once we do get it put together, I am gonna spray that pump with just some engine ceramic coat black, just so that it's all freshened up. We painted that cage, we pressure washed and cleaned everything on that pump. Excuse me. Figures in the middle of talking, and then the other compressor kicks on. So you know, we cleaned up that pump. Everything's gonna look brand new. Might as well just spray it. When I pressure washed it, we blew a lot of the paint off. You know, we're gonna clean this all up. It's gonna be like a whole new compressor again. Might as well just spray it and be done with it. So but for right now, let's just wipe this thing down. I'm gonna blow it off, and then we'll, you know, I'm not gonna go crazy with it, but I brought out some of my just automotive quick detailer. I'll grab a handful of rags and we'll just wipe everything down real quick. So thanks for joining us. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please, that would be awesome if you could. Like, leave a comment. So, and something else that I haven't talked about. I haven't talked about yet on any videos. This compressor breaking down kind of set us back a little bit. But we are going to start coming out with some merch. So keep an eye out for t-shirts and some hats. So, and You know, possibly maybe we'll do some sweatshirts or something. So just be on the lookout for that stuff. It's coming. Okay, so I got it wiped down, and you know, I knew this isn't the first time that I've wiped this down, but I knew that this thing was just wasted in overspray. So I'm not hitting it with a buffer. This is probably the first time it's ever been buffed. You know, the shine that's on there is just straight out of the gun. It never got wet sanded and buffed when I finished it. So this is the first buff, and it's not going to get everything. I'm probably just going to focus on the main areas that you see. You know, I'm not going to be able to get in around the motor or underneath, you know, to the top of the tank or anything like that. Just basically going to do the faces of everything. So just maybe clean it up, bring the shine back to it. That would be cool with me. So, alright, I kind of buffed up the top section a little bit and the face of it. I kind of half-assed around the sides. You can see how dirty it was. I mean, this is a used thing anyways, but that's pretty nasty. It was covered in overspray, so 20 years of overspray, 20 plus years of it. So it's a lot cleaner, shinier, smooth to the touch now. Now, for future cleanup, it should wipe down a lot easier. Let me try and wipe this thing down. It's like trying to wipe down a piece of sandpaper. There's so much overspray on it. Now at least it has a smooth surface, easier to wipe. At least that's what I tell myself. A lot of this I can't even get to. If I wanted to get really crazy with it, I could get out the clay bar and we could just start clay barring all the stuff that I could not get to, and it would come out pretty nice. Okay, brought quite the shine back to it. Now you can see all the chips and scratches on it, but she's shiny again. I haven't seen it that shiny since it's been first painted. So, well, that's it for me. As far as cleaning this, that's as far as I'm gonna take it. Next, we'll pop the pump back together and we'll shoot some color on that. I'm just gonna go real light, real quick, and let it sit for an hour, and we should be able to put this thing back together, and hopefully have this thing up and going, at the latest tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, hopefully tonight. But I'm not gonna push myself. There's a lot to put together still. There's probably a good, couple hours, few hours maybe, of work that needs to be done. So, and I'm kind of at the mercy of the wife getting off of work and being able to help me. So, I will see you guys later. It is lunchtime. I'm out. Remember, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Thank you.